Yo guys, it's Charlie and today we've got a pack opening on FIFA 17. I haven't got many. I think I've got like 2,000 FIFA points. We're opening some if there's any promo packs out. And yeah, I'm with, I keep forgetting his name.
And James, IUFC, shout me out, thank you very much.
And yeah, I'm at my nan's. And
I mean, subscribe.
Let's get straight into it. Guys, so I've got 1,950 FIFA points, 15 quid. And yeah, wasting money, but let's do it. First pack, I don't know which to do first. Shall I do a 5k pack and then go?
Yeah, 5k. I'll do 5k.
Yeah, 5k. Come on, Charlie.
Do us a pause. Non-rare. Why do they give you pauses with non-rares? He's gay. Look at that.
Yeah, you got contracts though.
Yeah.
Oh, that ball ends right nice, that black ball.
Oh, they can all go on transfer list. Oh.
Except from contracts.
No, I don't need contracts because I'm just gonna get money. Alright.
7.5.
Jumping into the 7.5k packs. Hope we can get something better.
Oh, that's a
Oh.
Striker.
great.
Andre's magic. Where's the magic at? Let's turn this TV down, won't we?
He's actually decent. I have him in my
He
team.
might go for a bit as well, like
I
850 coins. Oh, they go for a bit as them too.
Healing.
That won't go for anything. Just quick sort. Oh, send it to club. Why don't I? Spoon. Right.
I'm gonna get a promo pack.
No look pack. Oh. Who did we get? Open your eyes. Oh, Schmelzer. What the fuck is that? I didn't know it was a 4 players. Mate, I can get some coins out of that. We're going to open another premium gold players pack. Hopefully we'll get something, but I know we won't.
That wasn't a bad flare.
Oh.
Goalkeeper.
What's the Adler? Looks alright. Oh!
Sadio
Money!
Manny went for something in the market.
I've got him in my team as well.
Oh, I've got Crouch, it's not very good.
Why have you got... Yeah, but you've got FIFA 16.
No, I've got FIFA 17.
Have you?
I've got PS4.
I didn't know.
For Christmas.
No, not for Christmas. I bought it.
Let's open...
A gold pack.
Gold pack.
1,000 left.
I know it's not going to be anything. Honestly, I'm just opening most of these so I can get some coins. I know I'm not going to get anything.
That ball's nice end.
Let's open this one. Ah, medium pause. Ah,
Not bad flare.
not bad.
It's his edge.
Hi, Saj. Hi, Saj.
I used to have him last year, my Italian team. Oh, that's how it works. Yeah, you got Pele.
No, I got Pepe. You idiot. You season boy. Oh, right. Don't know what to do with these then, do I?
XG club.
Right, let's place them. Right, I'll just list them now. No, can't. Send to club, and then I'll just send it all to club, and then list it after some sort. Shall we go on to the promo pack now?
Yeah,
I think I've got 2 packs left if I open these. I don't know if it's risky.
I would open one of them and then open like.
No, I'm gonna do it because you get all players.
Oh,
Yay! Insigne! Woohoo!
he actually sells.
Does it?
Check.
That's a check. Did you really just say check? And I made a joke out of it. Quick sell. I'll receive. No, it's not worth it. I'll send it off.
If you did a video with Oh, freaks.
Should I open another or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause it's all players, isn't it? You either open that or
Yeah, but then I'll have just 50 FIFA points in the bank.
Open 400 ones. Or 150. Oh yeah, open that and then you'll have 100 left, don't you? And then just get that one.
Oh yeah.
Open two of them.
I know it's not going to be anything. So.
Oh, Newcastle aren't even in Premier anymore, are they? You got 1,000 coins. $17K. Wait, why don't you open?
All I want is a walkout. I'm not going to. Oh! Fuck off, Huddersfield. I actually think I might get some coins for all this. See, there's a tiny little pause and it's a non-rare. Trash. Yeah, that's the pack opening. Trash.
It's a good way to end it.
Alright. I hope you like this video. If you're new, like and subscribe. And a shout out to James RUFC and
JoelBoy36HD if you like Roblox. So yeah, and if you're 5, then obviously go watch his videos. So yeah, I'll see you next video.